Hey y'all, welcome back to Glam with Gorgg. It's your girl Malia, and I am back with another video. As you can see, well, these kind of go. Okay, let me start this. As you can see, let me just take them off for now. Okay, so yes, as you can see, today's video is entitled Look of the Week. And this new segment is going to allow me to do a complete makeup face for you guys, beat the full face, and then also show you guys step by step how I put together outfits and looks. So you guys will get to see me put together pieces, put together accessories, take away accessories, and you know, the whole nine, and just have fun and getting dressed up. So I hope you guys like this segment. I enjoyed doing it. It was super duper fun. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. If you're not new, don't forget to hit the bell button down low so that you can get a notification every time I post so that you don't miss anything. And also, everybody, don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. Share with your friends. Y'all sit down and learn how to do this makeup together. Help me put together this outfit. Tell me, oh no girl, we don't like that. Oh no, we did like that. Oh, you should have wore that. You shouldn't have did that. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, so today I'm going to be mixing two foundations, two of my favorite foundations at that. I'm going to be mixing my Maybelline Dewy and Smooth in the color 355. And I'm also going to be mixing my Kat Von D Locky Foundation in the color Deep 74. And I'm going to be using my favorite foundation brush to apply it, and that is the Sigma F80 face brush. So first I pour my Maybelline on the back of my hands. And now I'm going to squeeze a little bit of Locky Foundation, just one squeeze. It just helps give it a little bit of extra coverage, but I still get that dewy, soft. I don't know. It's just the perfect combination for me. I love it, so. My hands ashy? Are they ever ashy? It's just because I wash my hands a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face because it's really good to do your eyeshadow, like when the powder is sitting under your eye and everything like that, because it'll fall on the powder and brush right with the powder. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Filter Foundation in the color Fawn. While that sits on my face a little bit so that I can have fuller coverage, because they say if you let your concealer sit, it gives you better coverage. But while I let that sit, I'm going to tell you about this Sleek Contour Kit. And I get it in dark, of course, because I'm dark skinned, but I'm stuck up. Here's the palette, and I literally love this palette. It's so much that contour color is like gorgeous. It's actually a UK brand, so shout out to that brand for making it to the Americas, and people over there love it as well. I take my contouring brush from Real Techniques, and I literally dip it directly in the palette. Directly in the cream. And start sculpting my face with it. Okay. Okay. There, I'm just gonna contour, like put the cream contour right here on my face and on my nose, but then I'll go ahead and I'll powder the top areas. And it gives such a subtle, pretty. It's so pretty, right? I'm going to use my favorite concealer brush, the F64 brush from Sigma, to blend out my concealer. So we're going to start at the bottom. I'm going to start here so that I don't have extra product on my brush when I blend this out, because I really don't like too much concealer down there. So I blend that right on out. See that? I gotta stop looking up at the screen up top and look directly at the camera, like such a bad habit. To blend out my ends, I'm gonna take the butt of my beauty blender and I go over my ends a little bit. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set it. I have a mix of the white translucent Laura Mercier powder with Sacha Buttercup mixed in a little container, and that's what I've been using lately to set my makeup. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I literally stopped baking for a while, and I don't know, I think I missed it. So I'm back to baking just a little bit, just right up under the eye, a little bit of powder under there, right on the nose, until I carve my nose and shape it up, because I'm gonna do that right now. little bit of sand powder on the forehead. Okay, that same color that we did the contour with, the contour of my nose. I was never into such precise contouring of the nose until recently, so now I like for it to be very precise. So I'm gonna take that e.l.f. brush and just blend it out. My camera had got too hot, so now we're back and I'm about to do the eyeshadow. So first things first is I'm going to cover my eyelid and concealer to prime my eyelid. So I'm going to use the same concealer palette, the same contour palette from earlier, and I'm going to use this color. This is also the color I used to clean my eyebrows and shape my eyebrows, so it's about the same color as me. Just give myself a firm foundation to do this eyeshadow look on. And here I usually like to pat it, but I'm gonna just blend it out a little bit. All right, and I'm also gonna set it with the translucent powder and deep, just a little bit, just so that the foundation, the colors will be in place. They will not be moving around, and mix it with the concealer. Okay, so I kind of know that I want to go for a pinky-ish halo look, I think. So because I'm gonna wear the color pink. I don't know what I'm wearing, by the way, y'all. I'm gonna figure out my outfit and put it all together on camera. That's the fun of of this video, I guess you could say. But yeah, I don't know what color I'm gonna do. So I'm winging everything. I'm doing everything in front of y'all. Y'all seeing the whole process of how I just throw on the eyeshadow color and try to make an outfit work. Or yeah, y'all just gonna see the whole process. I'm gonna go in with this pink Totally Fetch in the Makeup Forever. in the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I think I want to do like a halo look. I don't know, a halo pink eye. I don't know. We just gonna see what God do. You know, we're gonna leave it in God's hands. Hopefully it come out cute. I didn't even look up inspiration for this. I'm really winging it. Then we're gonna go in. Oh, and by the way, I use my favorite crease brush, the E38 from Sigma. I love Sigma brushes, low key. So if you wanna give me a late birthday gift, give me some Sigma brushes. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Wicked Dreams palette, I think, and darken it with this dark purpley velvety color right here. It looks purple, dark purple, something like a scary purple. Ooh. Put some on the outside of my eye and on the inside. We will go back in with that same favorite E38, I said it right, E38 brush, and blend it out. Try to connect it slightly. It's gonna have a slight connect. I don't want it to major connect. Honestly, I think I'm gonna add some more, but we're gonna see first. Start a little, add, build up, you know. I chose this color to give the eyeshadow look some depth. Pick back up that E35 brush, a little bit of more product, and I'm gonna bring it closer in on both eyes. I'm liking where this look is coming out already. But I'm thinking about going into my Fenty Galaxy palette. I love this palette so much, and I just treasure it so much, and I don't show as much love as I should. I think I'm gonna mix this one, which is Meter Crush, and Mars on Fire. Oh shit. Oh, see, this one I'm so careful with it. I got my nail stabbed it. And Mars on Fire. So these two colors. But I think I should put like a base color in first, because I feel like it's not gonna show up as pinky. So let me find a base color that I want to use. You know what? I think I'm gonna use this Cotton Candy, my Sigma E57 eyeshadow brush. Dip it in there and let's see how it does. It smells so good. No! I like it. All right, now they say it's much better to apply these colors with your finger. I have nails on, which always makes it much harder to apply eyeshadows that way, but we're gonna go for it. We're gonna start off with the Meter Crush. It adds like a little shine to it, if you can see. That's all, I need more color though. I could add some like extra glitter, but I think I do a lot of glitter looks. Well, I think I've done enough shine looks. I really probably need to chill. Alright, so now I'm gonna go back into this and brush this off because if there's any part I got caught on there. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. contour brush and my Black Radiance contour powder palette and take that dark contour color, dip my brush in it, shake it off a little bit. And honestly, I just wanna, yes, yes, yes! Okay. Okay, so as you all may know, I love the Inglot eyeliner in 77, the matte black one. This one, if you notice, I like to do the cat inside. I'm gonna dip back into that Naked Dreams palette by NYX and go into their black eyeliner. Ooh, I'm scared. Do I want to do this? I do. I do not do black eyeshadow under the eye. I don't know. I've had bad experiences with it, but I can't do the same thing all the time, so I'm gonna try to switch it up for y'all. So I really don't know what I'm wearing. All I know is I'm inspired by my Beyonce shirt that I got from the On the Run tour, and I want to wear it. I don't know. I just want to dress it up. Like, I want to do something with it. So we shall see. Alright, so I went ahead and put my lashes on off camera because my camera needs to cool off. So I decided to kill two birds with one stone. My lashes are still very, very wet right now. You can still see the white glue at the top, so I'm just going to let them dry for a moment. While I let them dry, I'm going to go ahead and do my blush and my highlight. Worst come to worst, if this white don't dry like I needed to, I'm just going to cover it with black eyeliner. Duh. I'm taking my Black Radiance blush in the color Warm Berry and my blush brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to apply my blush. So simple. Let's bring out the color of my eye. That's the same color as my eyelid. Oh, I'm blushed up. I don't even like blush that much. Let me stop. To go with the pink coloring and the, you know, the shimmer shine, I'm going to use my Naked Illuminated highlighter in the color Aura. I love when I take the time to do my makeup right. I really don't be trying. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't be trying like when I'm going places, so like I don't really be doing my makeup that much. Alright, so next things next was final. Honestly, the final thing to do is to figure out how I'm gonna do these lips. So I said I want to do brown, purple, pink with like a gloss. I go to like brown liner or whatever is my Brown Sugar from Ruby Kiss. I love this color so much. I take it and I take like a liner brush or whatever, you know, some, I don't know, that I got. Yeah. And I start lining my lip. Not overline my lips because my lips aren't that big either, so. But my lips dry like that. I just put on, what's really good? Oh, I lied. I'm gonna use this nude color. So I got this LA Girl, this lip color, this new lip color from LA Girl Cosmetics, and it's like this matte, I don't know, but it's really a good color. So, and I literally bought it from Family Dollar. I need to exfoliate my lips, but when I exfoliate my lips get like, I don't be liking it. I was trying to think if I should put a gloss on top, and I thought I wouldn't, but I think I will. I love how the lip looks once you put that gloss on it, but we're done. But we're not done with the full look, so give me a second because I'm gonna be bringing you right back to help me figure out what I'm wearing. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to get ready on camera and show you guys how I put together outfits, like how I play around with stuff and put together bomb ass outfits. I hope it becomes a bomb outfit. As you can see, my inspiration behind the whole outfit is to start off with the Beyonce shirt that I got on tour, what, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, when she came here to the UK. I'm literally on camera to play dress up and come up with a cute look with this Beyonce shirt. But I'm about to play around with this look, so come on. Alright, so I know I want to do something with this jacket. I know I want to play with this jacket. I'm thinking, sometimes when I do this, it's called the outfit of the week. My closet has like two sections of like for short clothes and like what shirts and pants maybe, and then like dresses and all stuff. It's so cute. But yeah, so I'm thinking about doing something with this skirt. I really liked when I wore it before, so I think it's so funny that I'm getting dressed on camera. Okay, so I want to tuck. Okay, now that I have my pants, I think I want to tuck in B. Oh, I feel like I'm feeling like this already. I could go like this and I'm gonna be like, oh bitch, you killed some shit. Wait, hold on. Let me pull my shirt down. I honestly really like this because I go, and I feel like I will almost wear it just, I'm so extra, but I need them to see Beyonce not getting her makeup on. I'll go everywhere you go. Oh, I think I'm feeling, ooh, bitch. But I wish it was a little bit tighter. But you know what? I could. Oh, I got clothing pins, do I? Let me see if I got some clothing pins. Please let me have clothing pins. A clothing pin. Yes, yes! Okay, so like I said, I kind of already knew that I wanted to wear pink. So let me grab my accessories. I put my little hair accessory in. Y'all like it? I like it. At this point, my outfit is so raw that I have to go somewhere. Y'all ever got like, I have to go somewhere. I'm not going nowhere because it's getting posted and I have to go somewhere, period. All right, so another accessory I'm gonna be wearing today are these pink shades. I got them for Forever 21. I love it. I also, let me take one off and show y'all because y'all can't see nobody right now. Oh, shoot. But I also am wearing these fishnet socks. So you can see the skirt. And I'm thinking of wearing some of my open toe black heels because I'm wearing fishnet socks. If I wasn't wearing fishnet socks, I definitely wouldn't be doing the open toe black heels, but I was gonna do like a closed toe. I was gonna do like a closed toe boot, but hold on. I forgot to put a bra on. And now I'm like, I'm not wearing a bra. Right, I haven't had my best outfit idea or nothing yet. Ooh, baby. This is, I'll take your man raw. Let me see if I actually put it on, if I like it. I almost don't want to do the jacket. I think I don't want to do the jacket. I think I just want to be like this. Oh, this is a look. Oh, let me move this up. Can you see the whole look? Thank you guys so much for finishing this video with me. I had an amazing time getting dressed and doing my makeup with you all. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.